A composite solid can be made up of one or more basic solids. So example of basic solids are cube, cuboid and cylinder. All these go under the family of prisms. In this question 1, we are supposed to find the volume and surface area of this solid. Let us establish whether this is a prism first. If we take this as the base area of the solid, ask yourself, if you go parallel along this base area, down the length, will you get the exact same base area on the other side? The answer should be yes. So we have established that this is a prism. Therefore, now you recall that the volume of prism is equals to the base area multiplied by its length. Now, what is the base area of this prism? Let's see. The base area is made up of a square and a triangle. So the area of the square will be 2 times 2, and the area of the triangle will be half times base, which is 3, times height, which is 4. We multiply it by its length and key this entire expression into the calculator. The calculator tells you that the volume is 32 cm cubed. Now we look at the surface area of the prism. The surface area of the prism is given by the perimeter of the base area times by its length, and then you add it to 2 times of your base area. Okay, so let's work out our perimeter of the base area first. The perimeter of the base area, starting from point A, is 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's the perimeter or the outline of your base. So we get 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And we multiply this by the length again, which is 3.2. And we add it to 2 times the base area. Now what is the base area? It's again that square plus the triangle. So this is my 2 times 2 plus half times of 3 times 4. Key this entire expression into your calculator and you should be able to get a total surface area of 71.2 cm squared. Let us continue with question 2. In question 2, this solid is made up of a cylinder sitting on top of a cuboid. So yes, it is made up of prisms. So therefore, the volume of this solid will be also the sum of the volume of the various prisms. Now, let us write this down. The volume of the solid is equals to the volume of cylinder and add it to the volume of the cuboid. What is the volume of a cylinder? That's the base area multiplied by its height. So what is its base area? The base area is over here and this is its height. So therefore the volume is pi r square times height, and then you add that to the volume of the cuboid. What is the volume of the cuboid? If I let this be the base area of this cuboid, then you can see that its height is 24 mm. So the volume is length times breadth times height. If you enter this whole thing into the calculator, it will give you 85827.144 and the number goes on. What do? I round this off to 3SF. So 3SF are the first 3 figures here. Remember that this is 85,000 So therefore, when I round this off to 3SF, it is 85,800 mm³ bracket 3SF. Looking at the surface area now, we take a look at this. Now the surface area is made up of this circle on top, followed by the curved surface area of the cylinder. So you notice that the bottom base area of the cylinder is not counted because it is not exposed. If I'm going to paint this cylinder, I will only be painting this circle on top as well as a curved surface. I won't be painting what's underneath of it. Hence, for the surface area of the cylinder, I'm only going to take pi r square and I add it to the curved surface area of a cylinder, which is found by 2 pi r multiplied by its height. Okay, so this is for the cylinder. And then I still need to add the surface area of the cuboid. Now for the surface area of the cuboid, you will take the perimeter of its base, which is 2 times of 110 plus 27, and then you multiply this by 24, which is its height. Now, for this cuboid, it has got 2 exposed base area on top and below. So to this, I will need to add 2 times of my base area. But I must not forget that part of this base area of this cuboid is covered by the cylinder. So I need to subtract a pi r square. Don't worry about doing this part by part. Just key the entire thing into the calculator. Let the calculator handle it. And you will get this answer, 15,286.88. And the number goes on. Round this off to 3SF. I will have 153. Add 2 zeros to maintain the 10,000s value. Put in the units, mm square, and write this down as 3SF. That's it.